Hey y'all, today's video is in partnership with AfroSheen, and today I'm going to do like a braid out slash faux wash and go, and I'm going to be using their products. So let me just introduce to you a few of their products before I get into the style. The first product is the Crown Defining Curl Cream, and this product defines and hydrates. It's a 9-greasy formula with a blend of flaxseed, coconut oil, and shea butter to give you the perfect balance of hydration and definition. The next product is the Texture Setting Cream Gel. This product gives you long-lasting hold with no flakes. The third product is the Lush Fro Butter. This product nourishes and hydrates. I'm actually going to be using this as the first product in my braid out slash wash and go look. So this product adds shine, softens your curls. The last product is the Glow Up Shine Spray. This gives you a finish and adds shine. So for this style, I'm using the Lush Fro Butter first, the Texture Setting Cream Gel second, the Glow Up Shine Spray third. So let's start. So I have deep conditioner in my hair right now, so I'm gonna go ahead, rinse that out, and then come back. Okay, so I've rinsed out all of my deep conditioner, so now I'm just gonna section up my hair first. All right, so I wanna have a bang, so I'm gonna clip up the bang section, then clip up the rest. So the bang section will be cornrows. So I'm going to be using the butter as the first product, and this is just to moisturize my hair and to braid with. So it's easy to smooth together, it just melts into my hands. It has a nice, tropical coconut scent. Alright, and you see it just smooths really well into my hair. So let me detangle this. Alright, and now I'm going to cornrow this section down. Alright, so you see I could braid that really easily, and the hair is soft as I was braiding. So I'm going to make the rest of the bang 2 more cornrows, so it's going to be a total of 3. So I'm done the bang section. So now I'm going to do the rest of my hair. So these are going to be individual cornrows. Okay, so again, I'm gonna apply the fro butter. It smooths nicely into my hair. I'm able to detangle with it, and it is definitely easy to braid with. My hair feels really soft and moisturized. It doesn't feel greasy at all. So I'm gonna just do individuals all throughout my hair. Okay, so I'm done plaiting. I have 6 on this side, and in the back I have about 6, I think. Same thing for this side, like 6 braids, and then 3 in the front. So I'm gonna let them dry. Tomorrow when I come back and finish off the faux washing. Hey y'all, so my hair is completely dry. The braids were dry the very next day, but I was being lazy, so it's like a few days later. So I'm gonna unbraid the braids, then I'm gonna use the cream gel on the ends to make it look like I did a wash and go. So this is the cream gel, and I'm gonna take it on my fingertips and just like shingle just like the tips of my hair. So my braids, they feel really soft, smooth, they don't feel greasy, and there's definitely no flakes. Alright, so now I'm going to take some of the cream gel and I'm going to shingle the end. I'm going to separate and shingle. Okay, so I'm just going to repeat that process for each braid. Okay, so I did the majority of my hair, so now I'm up front. The braids are just so bouncy. Okay, so the gel, I'm just gonna take it and smooth the ends. So there's volume up here, but it's defined down at the end. The gel has a light fragrance, the cream gel, and it is very soft and smooth to smooth onto the hair. Okay, so I'm finished shingling. So now I'm gonna let it air dry. Before I do that, I'm going to use the Glow Up Shine Spray just to finish off the style. You see, it just comes out as a nice light oil. Okay, so I'm gonna come back once my hair is dry. Okay, it only took my hair like an hour to dry completely. It's completely dry. As you can see, it looks like a wash and go. So the curls are defined, the ends are defined and set in place without any flakes. My hair is still moisturized, and also it's already like stretched. So I really love this method a lot. This method should be really helpful for people who can't do like wash and goes like the day of. I don't have any sticky patches like because I put all the gel on the ends. My hair has a very nice shine and I'm really happy. I really love the results. Yeah, so this is the wash and go. This is day 2. It's good. I said the wash and go, but yeah, it's a full wash and go. It looks really nice. The ends are still curly and the roots are still soft. Remember, I only put gel on the end, so yeah. The products I used today are available at Walmart and Amazon.com. Thank you AfroSheen for partnering with me for this video. Thumbs up this video, check out more on my channel, and I'll see you guys all in the next one.